We found 5 ways to help you make money with NFTs that you already own. Still fairly new and not many investors and collectors know the best practices when it comes to investing in NFTs, and even less about their full potential that they offer. NFT marketplaces can be a pretty lucrative offering if you know what you're doing. Welcome back to BeInCrypto. My name is Jessica, and guys, if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe. We bring you videos like this regularly. Number 1, first and probably the main one, NFT staking is the main advantage when combining NFTs with decentralized finance. You probably know by now that you can generate pretty advantageous interest called yield if you stake your crypto assets. And luckily, staking isn't a feature reserved for cryptocurrencies anymore, and NFTs can also be staked to generate passive income. Staking refers to locking your digital assets in for a certain period of time in exchange for a reward. Some platforms allow you to use a variety of NFTs, and others require that you purchase native NFTs to really be eligible for staking token rewards. These tokens are usually denominated in native utility tokens. The NFT platform that allows NFT staking is Kira Network, NFTX, Splinterlands, and Only One. Now, sometimes part of the rewards can be given to stakers given the platform's governance token, and tokens are granted voting rights to really influence the future development and evolution of the platform in its ecosystem. It's really important here to note reinvesting the coins you earn from NFT staking in other yield generating protocols can be a good offering. And I bet you never really thought about staking your NFTs or when you started to look at making money in the NFT space. Another great way to make money with NFTs is probably the most obvious method, to flip them. Flipping NFTs means you can buy an NFT when the project is brand new on the market, usually during the minting phase, and then sell it for a higher price, specifically on the NFT marketplaces. Now, selling NFTs isn't a right reserved solely for NFT creators, although you can quite easily create your own NFT. Many crypto inventors see NFTs the same way they see trading crypto or even stocks. Many of them have already managed to buy and sell NFTs for a profit, but trading NFTs is all about knowing when to sell them, and that depends on the type of NFT, its utility, and also whether there's any other interest. This can be determined pretty quickly by researching on the internet and also on other marketplaces. You can also check out this guide on finding profitable NFTs in the description below. You can also calculate your profit and loss by adding additional costs such as gas fees, marketplace listing fees, and also royalties, and these will eventually reduce your profit. But be ready to put in a little bit more time and effort with this one. Flipping NFTs to profit will require substantial research and also in-depth knowledge and understanding of the crypto market if you really want to be successful. Number 3 is renting out your NFTs, and that's a great way to make money for some passive income, especially if you already own assets in high demand. For instance, some NFT card trading games let players borrow cards to increase their winning chances. Smart contracts really control the terms of the agreement between the parties, and you as a user can choose the length of the rental agreement and the NFT lease rate they prefer. ReNFT is a leading platform that allows you to lend or rent NFTs, and you can set a maximum borrowing period in daily rates. Currently, it's around 0.002 or 2 wrapped Ether. Fantasy football fans can use platforms such as Football Coin to rent their limited edition NFT football cards to earn even more crypto. Number 4, did you know that NFT creators can actually set royalty fees when their NFTs are sold on the secondary market as a percentage of the selling price? This means that you as a creator can still earn passive income after you sell your NFT for the first time. This allows you to keep a portion of the NFT sale price indefinitely. If, for instance, the royalty rate for digital artwork is 10%, the original creator will be paid 10% for each time the artwork is resold. Now, it's important to note each NFT marketplace lets you set your custom royalty fee when you first create the NFT. The entire process of earning royalties from NFTs is easy. It doesn't require any additional expertise. It's all done from the NFT marketplace interface. And with most things in the DeFi space, smart contracts are responsible for the whole process of distributing royalties. You as a creator mean you don't have to track payments or enforce royalty terms manually. At number 5, we have NFT gaming to earn cryptocurrencies and NFT-based video games. These could be the future of NFT technology. Now, while none of the NFT-based games have become globally popular yet, the potential for applying NFTs in video games is huge. Gamers have been known to spend a lot of money on virtual goods. These markets, whether it's World of Warcraft or Counter-Strike skins, are worth billions of dollars. The impact of any major video game company selling in-game items as NFTs would be huge on the gaming and also the blockchain ecosystem. The question of how to make money with NFTs in blockchain games is a little bit more complex. While a lot of the NFTs we see today on marketplaces are digital artworks, there is a significant percentage that add up to the in-game NFTs. These assets can also be used with their specific games and platforms, as most play-to-earn games, to earn more crypto. So from our opinion here, we are expecting to see many more projects launching in this sector in the following few years, but we've already seen phenomenal success from games such as Axie Infinity, Plant vs. Undead, and also the one and only CryptoKitties. In-game NFTs offer a far greater experience to digital trading cards or interactive NFTs such as virtual works of art. Video games use tokens that can be extremely complex and interactive. By truly owning your in-game assets, you can rest assured these NFT games are an investment and not just an expense on your hobbies. You play the game, you use the NFTs to generate more crypto, and then you sell them when you're bored or when you want a different one. It really is that easy. So now that you know how to make money with NFTs, keep an eye out for NFTs that can be staked, rented, or used as in-game assets. You need to make sure you invest in the right ones. That should be your priority. If you're an NFT creator, start planning your next NFT collection, and don't forget to set up a proper royalty fee for your digital artwork. And this is just the beginning of the NFT era. As the metaverse will take over digital lives, we're expecting to see many more options and features on the NFT marketplace and platforms. Now, I do want to hear from you guys, and also if you are looking to get involved, you can buy so many coins on Stormgain, which is BeInCrypto's partner cryptocurrency exchange. The link is down in the description box below. That's all from me. As always, don't forget to subscribe, and see you all again very soon.